Hello everybody, welcome to December's Creative Dreams and Arts. I have a couple of letters here that I'm going to do for my family. I have them pre-painted already because they need some paint on them. So I'm really hoping that they turned out fabulous. I'm going to put this on a short pause until I can get the paints pre-did in. Alright guys, I'm back. I got my sister's colors done. She wants pink, purple, and blue. So I'm just going to put it on hers and we'll start from there. I'm really digging how it turns out so far. I'm really liking the purple because purple is her primary color she likes. I think I might have used a little too much, but we're okay. Super pretty, super pretty. Now I just gotta give it a tilt. Make sure I get all the corners covered in, touched. And there we go. I have the J completed for hers. So I'm going to go ahead and put you guys back on a brief pause while I get the other one set.